In today's video, I'm going to teach you Underused Midjourney V5 prompt commands. How to use text weight and image weight. By the end, you'll know exactly how to steer Midjourney's attention so your images match your creative intent more reliably. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney. This is simply the quickest way to reach the official site. From the search results, click the official Midjourney website. If you already use Midjourney, make sure you're signed in so you can access the prompt input. Once you're on the site, we'll craft a prompt that demonstrates both text weight and image weight. Here's the example we'll use. A futuristic samurai, 3. Glowing blue armor, 2. Standing in a neon-lit alley, 1. Cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed. R16.9, IW 1.2, V6. Let's break that down. Text weight is controlled with the double colon syntax. Think of phrase / number as a volume knob for that phrase. The default is 1, so setting a futuristic samurai. 3 tells Midjourney this is your main idea and should dominate the composition. Next, glowing blue armor. 2 reinforces that specific detail, making the armor's color and glow more pronounced than average. Then, standing in a neon-lit alley is at the normal weight, so it still matters, but it won't overpower the subject. You can use decimals too. Values like 2.5, 1.2, or 2.5 are perfectly valid. The key is that weights are relative to each other. You're balancing priorities rather than setting absolute rules. After your weighted phrases, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed adds general style cues. The flag, R16.9, sets a widescreen aspect ratio, great for cinematic frames. The flag, V6, selects the newer model for more precise language understanding and sharper detail. Now, image weight. The YIW12 flag controls how strongly any attached or linked image influences the result compared with your text. If you include an image reference in your prompt, for example, by pasting an image URL at the beginning, values around 0.5 to 1.5 are good starting points. Higher values make the image reference dominate. Lower values give more control to your text. If no image is provided, this flag won't have an effect, but it's good practice to include it when you intend to guide the style or structure with a visual reference. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Review the results, and if your main subject isn't prominent enough, nudge that phrase's weight up slightly. If a detail is getting too strong, bring its weight down. Small, deliberate adjustments go a long way. That's it. Simple steps, powerful control. Try it out, and fine-tune until your images consistently match your vision.